Hello, in this video, we'll be looking at how to report on what percentage of your traffic is ICP. The insights here are that you can either optimize the content based on the size of the company or the industry it attracts, or you can know which content works, which content doesn't, and then just prioritize these content or optimize these contents based on what percentage of total users it attracts belong to your ICP. Now let's look at the first insight over here, how you can utilize factors to do that, right? Now this is one of the blog that we had taken live a couple of months back. It was regarding our partnership with Sixth Sense, and it was sort of a not a press release so much, but it was more around as to how this partnership is was going to help Factors improve the value that we'll be providing via the product. Now, as you can see over here, out of the total users, and again I can just simply look at how many users where we so roughly 128 users, and if I were to break it down by industry, I can see that almost 50% of them belong to software and technology, and then the remaining industries in this fashion over here. So I mean, if I were to put a benchmark of saying that, hey, at least 50% of the traffic that we drive to our content should belong to our ICPs. So in this case, our ICPs, which are software and technology and business services, right? Now these constitute to be at least 60-70% of the entire traffic that is being driven to this particular blog, right? In this case, I can safely assume that, hey, this is something that has worked out for us, right? Again, we can easily replace this with another blog and then do the same analysis for that blog. Alternatively, if you want to know what percentage is in fact ICP and what is not, so you can sort of go over here and then do this analysis as well, saying, hey, give me say the traffic for this, and again unique users for this particular blog where the industry is this, and then give me the total number of users, right? And again you can just say, hey, 218 out of 313, right, is particularly the percentage that that we can see that belong to ICP, right? And again, apart from industry, you can also apply filters of saying that, hey, size of the company, so employee range. So I can say that, hey, anyone who is, let's say, greater than 10 but less than 1000 is our ICP, right? In this case, I can quickly go and apply these filters as well, right? Now let's look at the numbers here. So as you can see, it has reduced to 123 now from whatever 200 and something it was earlier, right? So as you can see, and again you can replace this with another URL over here, another blog over here, and you can get the same data for all the other blogs. So coming back to the insights, so let me know what you think about this. If you have any more questions, I can answer those for you. Take a note that being able to apply filters based on the industries of the users visiting would require you, I mean, we take help of the de-anonymization data that we bring in. So I mean, this is a paid service, so just letting you know that. Thank you. Bye bye.